For this short video, I'm just gonna show you how to enable an add-on or install an add-on. Some of you might have heard about it. What is add-on? Add-on basically is a kind of like a special small programs that you can either build in Blender or you can purchase through third parties online. It's just going to enable you to do some special task inside of Blender. So if we go to the Edit tab, go to the Preferences, you will have a Blender Preferences window pop out. You can see here we have an add-on tab. So there, as you can see here, we have quite a bit add-on already built in the Blender, but usually by default they are not enabled because some of the tools that you, based on what you do, you probably don't need them at the moment. But the first one I really wanted to show you guys how to do that is called a node wrangler. So if you type node and here node wrangler, that's the add-on that is very popular because it actually enable a lot of shortcut used in Blender. So we were just gonna check this thing on, so which means it's enabled now. You don't need to do anything, look inside, but it's already been activated. And another add-on I want to install, you can consider it as a third-party add-on. So what you're gonna do here this time is just gonna click the install button, and then you find the add-on that you want to actually install. Usually it's come with a zip file. The one I'm going to put it on is a shortcut key add-on. So you can do here and select that and install add-on. So now you can see here this thing is being added onto the list, but they're not enabled yet. So what we need to do again, just need to check this on and then enable that. Whenever you don't want to use this on, you can just hit the remove and that will be gone. Another thing we wanted to focus on here is you want to having this auto save preferences checked. So whenever you do something, they will be automatically saved after you do that. So we can just close this window. Yeah, we adding two add-ons in here and nothing changed from by looking at the interface. For node wrangler, that we're just going to enable a lot of shortcut keys. I will show you guys in the later video. For the shortcut key ones, we can easily find it. So if we hit N key on the sidebar, you can see, yeah, we have some new tabs on the right hand side on the menu. So you can see here there's a shortcut add-on. So what we can do here, we can just kind of enable this add-on here. As you can see here, we have something new going on here. Whenever I click left key, it was showing you I'm clicking the left key, middle mouse, and right key. So if I'm hold shift or control whatever, just adding more, hold shift and click, it was showing shift and left click. So basically that's what is this add-on is using for. You will be able to see what exactly I attach or clicked or manipulating in the rest of the tutorials is going to be very helpful. And now we can hit end, close this add-on, and continue the rest of the class. Thank you.